Welcome to the show. I'm Kathy Ireland. With a continued increase of COVID-19 cases in the U.S., several companies have been enlisted to share their services in hopes of providing a testing solution. Gravity Diagnostics is at the forefront, providing state-of-the-art assistance with advanced laboratory services. Tony Remington, CEO and President of Gravity Diagnostics, is here to provide us with their expertise on all things COVID-19 testing and share their journey of how they have become part of the solution. Welcome, Tony.
Hey, thanks for having me, Kathy. Nice to meet you via kind of the internet. It's kind of a unique time for all of us.
Well, it certainly is, and we're grateful you're here with us. Tony, can you tell us about Gravity Diagnostics?
Sure. We were founded about 4 years ago in 2016. We've gone from 0 to over 150 employees. And we always had a vision of trying to make a difference, do things a little differently, change healthcare, partner with academia and government to do something different. And as a laboratory, we're licensed in all 50 states. We're governed by CLIA, and we do a bunch of different testing. We do urine toxicology and oral toxicology. We do pharmacogenetics and something called infectious disease testing. So 2 years ago, we started doing these upper respiratory panels where we look at viral, fungal, and bacterial infection, and that's kind of what led us to be a part of the solution with COVID-19.
And can you speak more about that, Tony? How is Gravity Diagnostics playing a role within the COVID-19 pandemic?
You know, I've been asked this question a lot, and really we started out where it's kind of a longer story, but as a laboratory, I think before COVID-19, a lot of people would look at laboratory testing as kind of a generic service that is behind the scenes supporting hospitals and physicians across the country, worldwide, obviously. And we always felt differently. We felt like we could be a part of wellness and prevention and really use our testing to help people get healthier, help people get information before they needed it. So we always had this vision to kind of do it differently. And what ended up happening is our main PhD, JP Canner, came to me back in January, and he brought up COVID-19 in China. And he asked me if we should try to, validate testing in our lab. And I said, you know what, go for it. So we just always had that attitude, Kathy, where we tried to, jump in and help out and be part of the solution. So at that time, we had no idea this would happen. We had no idea that it would emerge in the United States the way it did. But I think our 4-year history of, running through walls, doing right by our community, putting the patient first, focusing on integrity and compliance really paid off. And so we basically validated the methodology and got FDA authorization back in March, right after the large kind of publicly traded big labs. And then at that time, we really took a pause and said, how do we take our capacity and use it in the best way possible to help those most in need? And so, that's kind of how we got here.
Well, we're grateful to you and your family for the sacrifices made, your entire team. Thank you so much, Tony, for sharing with us the progress Gravity Diagnostics has made with testing solutions for COVID-19. Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching. I'm Kathy Ireland.